Hey everybody, we're doing the rear brakes on GMC Denali, and as you can tell, you want it done. You can tell they're fairly worn out. So what we're going to do is we're going to start the process of removing the caliper and getting the rotor off and installing the new parts. Let's start. All right, so I loosened the caliper just a little bit, and then now I've got a 13 on this top one, and we're going to loosen it. Adjustable wrench on the top portion of it here, right there, so I can keep it from rotating. Oops, a daisy. There we go. That one's loose. And then let's do the bottom one right here. Yep, same thing. But a I have a hanger, and then we're just going to, you know what? There's plenty of room here. So it's aluminum. Just gonna set it right over there like that, okay? All right. The next thing we need to do is get these 18 millimeters out. Okay, so that's an 18 millimeter. I have a really big breaker bar. And there we go. And then I'm going to do the one on the bottom of the bracket. You're not going to see that. There we go. All right, let's get that out, okay? Alright, so I'm getting the last bolt off for this bracket. Alright, there it is. Took it off, and then we'll get that cleaned up, okay? But you can tell the pads, they have a little meat left on them. But this one is kind of uneven, so we'll have to see the pins about that, okay? And then this should just come right off the rotor. Okay, let's clean everything and then let's get ready to reinstall. Alright, let's get the wheel clean. Alright, that looks good. A little bit of brake clean on everything. And everything in the rear. Inside, the emergency brake looks good. Your real shout. Looks like his axle seals are leaking, so I'm going to have to tell him that. Right. That looks good. Okay. We're going to put a lug nut on the bottom just to hold everything in place as we reassemble. There we go, and then there we go right there. Alright. Let's get the bracket. Alright, I'm going to take all the old hardware off because I got new hardware. And you should probably always repair it. Replace it if you can. And then I'm going to put it on the wheel here, okay? So let's get this plugged in. And then let's get it on. Alright. That looks clean. Let's finish it with I'm going to finish it with a file. if I need to, but it looks pretty good. All right, now we're gonna get these pins done. I mean, they both seem to work okay, so let's, oh, that's nasty. Okay, so let's get that cleaned up. Okay, so nice and clean. A little brake clean on there. Get it. The rubber seems to be in good shape, so we want to get all the muck off. And then we're going to use some of this purple brake caliper grease. And apply a little bit of it. There we go. Don't go crazy, it says. So we're just going to put it, just coat. Okay. And then we're going to slide that puppy right in there, like so. Seated. There we go. And then get the air out of the caliper. Okay, so we're going to... There we go. There we go. Seated. Okay. And that is nice. Okay. Next one, to get the air out. There we go. And there we go. Alright. Clean up the residue. And let's mount the bracket. Okay. And then we're going to put the hardware on here, and then we should be good to go. Okay, let's get up there. Alright, putting the bracket back on, put a little bit of blue Loctite on there. Okay, as I get it on. And we're going to get this tightened down. Okay. Right, let's squeeze the caliper. I'm going to use this because I don't have a single piston caliper, you know, so we're going to have to use this. Let's see how it goes. There we go. Okay, that's good. And then let's get the front loaded. Up. There we go. And then these right here go right inside there. Yeah. There we go. All right. And then we'll get the caliper on, okay? Give me a second. All right, and then after squeezing, we just put the caliper back in, just going straight. There we go, nice and smooth. And then I put a little bit of blue Loctite on these two. And then we're going to tighten those down. There's one. Okay, let's tighten it. And let's put a to make sure that it's tight. Okay. Alright, that's tight. Okay, and that's it. We're going to put the wheel back on. We'll bleed, we'll seat the new pads to the rotor, bed them down a little bit, and then it should be all good to go. Alright. Good luck on your project, and thank you for subscribing.